GT above the 5.0 was silver. Had silver stripes on it. That's an 83, 84 maybe. And they got rid of that with 50,000 miles on it for $3,000. Boy, I wish I had that back. Yeah, I hear some rumbler and a tumbler. Now, let me get back over here, guys, since I'm way by the road anyways. Why not? Let me see this. But anyways, oh, there's a mid-70s with a cage on it. It's a drag car, 72, 73, 71. Camaro making some noise. Oh, yeah. Whew. But yeah, see that car? That guy's at every show, and he gets in every video. I don't know how he does it. But yeah, here's where you're going to see that noisemaker. And this is kind of neat in the sense that this isn't period correct color-wise. I mean, this is a 50s color, but it's the bomb cage. I mean, it's tubbed. It's a track car, but boy, is that beautiful. Yeah, not insane. Yeah, you're seeing some more stuff. Yeah, but yeah, this is some drag cars, guys. I'm not kidding you, because otherwise, you take this Mach right here, pop out hood pins. You wouldn't do this unless you're dragging it. Doesn't show a cage in it though. That's just insane. You know, beautiful car. And you got this. Oh, hey. Did I see that? Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah. How do you always get in everybody's video? I saw you good guys. I saw you last year in Frankenmuth, but I always see you all over the country with your car.
You gotta make noise. That's what they're doing.
I know. I say I film.
They don't know you're here.
Like I said, I filmed that yellow car. It's shit, but boy, does it make nice noise. You know. Hey, have a good time, guys. That's kind of nice. Yeah, see this, guys? These are track cars, hot rods. Let's see. And how about this, guys? This is, I don't know if it's patinaed or what do they call it. It's to make some noise. It's a track car. Same here. This is like a Chevy Blue. Oh, man. No. Oh, no. Someone just did something they weren't supposed to. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that stinks. Someone's days got blown up just for someone making some noise. That's insane. Yeah, there's a 69 red. They messed it up with that lift on that hood, but here's a 68, 69. There's that GT. That's a pretty car. Yeah, that's insane. How about this? This almost looks like the guy car that, oh no, that's a green. Guys, that's a dark green. Super Sport. Sweet. The hood's messed up because it has that big bump in it. There's a nice Firebird. Yeah, this guy's sitting by his GTX. Yeah. Oh man. They calling it a day, huh?
No, I'm gonna sit out by the street.
I know you got. I also hear some of that noise over there. Now you got a great car. This yours?
Yeah.
Wow. I'd protect it though. You know what I mean? Watch it a little bit. It's awfully nice. Yeah, and then you got that S10. You know what? As much as I like his car, oh, that's for sale too. 90. You want a 69 Roadrunner Hemi 4-speed car, 90, and it's the bomb. I mean, there's a couple stone chips it looks like on it here and there, but minute. It's a nothing. And then you got this. That's sweet. Anyways, I got to get back to my wife because she's going to be going nuts. I think she wants to sit by the road, if anything. It's getting a little bit cooler now that it's later, but just giving you a heads up. This is what you got down here, guys. There's a lot of rides, but they're all in individual lots. Like I said, this Up until I seen that hood, I thought he had the bomb, and he blew it up by having that stupid hood on it. Ugh. I'm sure it has a high-rise manifold and stack on it, but that's not what you want. Here's a bad car. How about this Dart Swinger? Like Jay said the other day, I saw him on an interview. He's on interviews all the time about cars. He said, you know, it's nice to see the McLaren and that and this and that, but he says the odds are back in the day you saw that Dart Swinger. There it is. And you got this. Oh, yeah. That Cutlass is pretty. That's probably a factory color. It's rare. I got there's two of them that color, so you know that's really rare. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got. Yeah, some cops blowing it up for somebody's day. Go ahead, guys. See what else we got here, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of areas to sit on this side. Oh no, there's the cop. He got his man, as a so to speak. Yeah, actually you can park on this side because it's a lot nicer. The only downside is you gotta go across the street to get to any Porta Johns, which blows. Yeah, of course this thing's been at everything. It's been at Frankenmuth a million times. Woodward, I've seen it all over all sorts of shows. You got this. Like I said, it's going to be wiggly, it's going to be jiggly. I apologize. I just come from that side, guys. I got to get to the light. Then I can go back to my wife. I'm probably within a quarter mile of Rogers Plaza. There is so much stuff that to see outside of it. What was he doing? Somebody either ran I don't think that guy got on it. If he did, he'd be stupid and something like that nobody cares about. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, weekend either side. There's tons of parking. Yeah, here's for sale if you want that. If you're looking for something like that, that's for sale. It's nothing special. In its day it was. There's nothing available. I gotta get down there. Yeah, the only downside, we can pull in here. Yeah, what do you do? Yeah, there's a cop pulled somebody over for making some noise. Probably with a piece of junk truck. I'm still coming. Hang on. There's a tractor. I mean, you don't see them every day. Not like you used to. No, I'm just checking the phone, guys. I don't know, guys. There's something there. Oh, look at, there you go. You got that roller. Check that out, guys. Oh no. Oh yeah. And you hear some. There's a farmer with that funny nose on it. There was a bomb in the day. I mean, Sonic did everything in their power to make a Banshee. Yeah, check that out. Look at that, guys. That's insane because they got some modern muscle in that thing. That's like a brand new, that's a crate motor of some sort. Hawk Motorsports. Everything's custom in there. That's nuts. Oh yeah, here's a Judge. And you got, this is Cutlass Supreme Row or Hurst Olds 442. I mean, you got it all here. You know, you got the bicycle guys. I guess that's important. It's not for me. Oh God. I'm trying to figure out to get out of we're at Rogers Plaza. There's Charlie's Steakery. We could have ate everywhere. Me and wife hit Greasy Spoon. See what else we got. Wow. There's a Camaro. Like I said, when the top's down, I mean, those Camaros are nice looking. I don't get it. And there's Carissa. Yeah, that's kind of neat. Yeah. Check this out. That's a Hyundai. She slammed. It's pretty cool. Brembo brakes on it. And real nice. And then you got this. This I think's at every car show. Oh man. Whew. Pick you too. I gotta get back over there where it's past Price Cutter and that. I gotta get another light, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's a lot of places to park. And, check this out. I gotta get that light, otherwise I'm not gonna get out. Yeah. Yeah, you don't see that. Yeah, Charlie's. Too much on this side, guys, but I don't think I can get across, so I'm going to stop the video for a minute, just let my wife know where I'm at. And that's pretty slick. You don't see them every day. See, he has the bomb V. That kid looks like he's about 18 years old that's driving it, which is nuts because those wheels are probably $500 each. Check that out. That's a real freaking Cherokee on there too. That is insane. Yeah. I gotta get that light, guys, and I can get back to my stomping grounds. Yeah. Hey, young lady. Oh, thank you, though. Hey, guys. Thank you. Check that out, there's snaps. That guy's getting an extended time in his V. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we can set. Hopefully that guy's gonna run me over. Yeah, some catbacks on that thing. That's insane. No. Just got to get across. I'll tell you what, that V should be making some noise. This is darn quiet. Of course, you got the tractor ride. That's cool. Oh, people like being on anything, I guess. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's go. Check this out, guys. This is a track car. There you go. It's nuts. Nah, he wasn't doing anything. He's speeding a little bit maybe, but I think as long as nobody's on the road. Oh no. Hopefully that guy's not gonna do anything crazy. That'd be his luck, having a nice track car and having the cop blow him up. You better be careful. He doesn't know that guy's behind him. It's nuts. Yeah, we can all set. Yeah, there's a lot of cool cars. There's more guys. you know my channel, you know what I like. There's nicer cars here on this road right now than there was all day at Woodward. And I hate saying that because Woodward is like I talk so much about Woodward all the time, but you're not gonna get much better. No, I gotta get my wife. We're gonna get out there and see if we can sit down, see if we can get a little cranny somewhere where nobody's sitting. That's nuts. And I gotta get to the light, because if you don't get to the light, it's just about impossible to get across right now. That's what you're seeing. Wagon. Yeah, you got a Vega, Pinto. No, that's a Bobcat. You don't see that. That's a Bobcat wagon. There's a Vega wagon. Yeah, it's nuts. But yeah, I gotta get across somehow, some way. Oh, it looks like I can get across right here if nothing else. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's insane. Yeah, we know it's set. Oh wow, check that out, guys. Here we get her. Sorry if it's a little wiggly, a little jiggly, guys. Like I said, next year, my wife says I can get a new camera, get one that's really nice. I'm gonna get a 10 or 11, something like that. Either that, something a little nicer. She's got to be tired. She's sitting in the car, bored. I mean, it's insane. But check that out. It just has those aftermarket, you know, ones year one wheels on it.